At the entry level, a few AIOs fight for the best balance between price, noise, and long-term reliability. You've got the Thermalright Frozen Note 360, the ID Cooling FX360 INF, and sometimes even the Arctic Liquid Freezer 360 when it drops on sale. All three can handle the Ryzen 7 9800X3D without hitting thermal limits, but they differ in how they sound and how easy they are to live with. The Thermalright Frozen Note 360 is the simplest, a big 360mm radiator, dual-chamber pump, and 3 ARGB fans that get loud at full tilt, but cool surprisingly well for the money. It doesn't have fancy cabling or software, but the performance per dollar is hard to ignore. The ID Cooling FX360 INF is the bare minimum 360mm option. Fine for budget gaming rigs if you're okay with a little more fan noise. It trades aesthetics and pump smoothness for raw value. Then there's Arctic Liquid Freezer 360. It usually costs more than those two, but during discounts, it slides right into the same range and immediately stands out. The 38mm thick radiator and integrated VRM fan keep socket temps stable during long gaming sessions. Arctic also routes fan cables through the sleeved tubing, so the area around the CPU looks clean and airflow stays unobstructed. So, in the budget tier, the pick that makes the most sense is the Thermalright Frozen Note 360. It's the easiest way to get 360mm cooling on a tight budget without compromising thermals. The only real downside is the fan tone at higher speeds, so just set a reasonable curve and you'll be fine. If your case can't fit a 360mm, check out Lee & Lee's Galahad 2 Trinity Performance 240. It's one of the strongest 240mm units tested this year, and fits smaller mid-towers while keeping noise low.